In this video, I'll show you how to install Bankful on your Shopify store. Once your gateway is configured, you'll receive an email from our support team with integration instructions. First, open a new tab and sign into your Shopify store. Return to the integration instructions and click on Native Method 1. Look for the line that reads, "To find our Bankful native app, click here." This takes you to the Shopify App Store. Click the Install button on the left side of the page. You'll be redirected to your Shopify store admin. Click the Install button in the bottom right corner. Next, select Enable Bankful Payment Provider. On the following screen, enter your Bankful username and password, then click Login. Once complete, you'll see Bankful Native successfully installed. Toggle on the card types and digital wallets you want to accept. Finally, click Activate. After receiving confirmation that Bankful Native is activated, you're ready to start accepting payments. To uninstall the app, simply click the red Deactivate button, followed by the red Uninstall button. This will remove the plugin from your store. Thanks for watching.